Okay, time for another Fitbit review. So it's another day with the Blaze going on month 6. No, wait, 8 months. 8 months with this smartwatch fitness tracker. This is my profile. I just barely surpassed 17 million steps. So yeah, that's pretty cool. 30,000 flights of stairs and over 9,000 miles. On the notification bar, I got a little notification. You're an overachiever by 2,248 steps. So I can click on that and that will launch the Fitbit app. What I wanted to show you today is how to alter your steps. If you had a little error, which I did, and you forgot to move maybe like 10 steps and you missed your goal. Love that animation, by the way, a little confetti. So right now it's syncing via Bluetooth. There we go. So I met all my goals today. Awesome. You get the little cool animation. And then you're wondering how you're doing that 250 steps per hour. So we can click past here. Great. Yes. Wow. 11 to 12 hours. It was really close. So I missed 1 hour while I was driving. So if I click on the day, it shows me that I missed the 2 o'clock hour. So you go back to the dashboard and then you click on exercising of this day's the week. And then right here on the top, see that little plus sign, click on that. And then I always use walk. It seems to be the best one, very generic. So click on walk, and then you just type in the time. So we go back to the 2 o'clock hour, and I'll just say it was towards the end of the hour. Click the checkbox, end time. Okay, so I just changed the duration to, we'll just say 3 minutes. And the distance, it really needs to be subtle, like 0.1, and then checkbox. And what that does is that's going to add an activity of that small amount, and then it will tell the Fitbit app that I was actually moving during that hour. So now when we go back to the dashboard, ta-da, you're absolutely crushing it. So it added just a few extra steps. And now it shows that I was active the whole day. So today not too bad, 38%. Stationary, 10 hours and 10 minutes. Yeah, c'est la vie. And then you can go back and you can actually go back to previous days, but that was really close. I think when my watch reminded me, I was short by 5 steps, so not too bad. And then if you go back again to the dashboard and you go to the exercising, you'll see the entry that you made. And if you make a mistake, you can adjust it or delete it. So right here, walking 10 minutes. There we go. So there's the entry that we just did. So I added 218 steps. And also earlier today, I was charging my watch, so I don't feel too guilty about that. And there you go. That's how you edit your Fitbit steps if you miss something. And also you can edit other exercises like cycling, swimming, or anything like that. That's all for now.